All right, number one here, we got a goal of 130 for the whole thing. So I'm gonna play it at half speed first and then full speed. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and no. All right, full speed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 2, the lead. Okay, so here's how it's going to sound with what's currently there. One, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was incorrect. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so just like before, now the task is figure out how you can play the exact same phrase, all the phrases, in each single shape. And it's totally fine and necessary to use different octaves. So starting off with this, basically you're going to have to go over here. So I would do it one bar at a time. So get that part down. So the second scale shape, it would need to be done here. Third scale shape, you're going to have to change up how it's approached. So if that means you got to do less hammer-ons or less pull-offs, that's okay, because sometimes it's just not going to fit the shape properly. So you could do this for the third shape. Oof, not that. Yeah, you have to do it like that. So instead of doing the hammer-ons and pull-offs the same way, yeah, for that, the third shape, you'll need to change it. So that would be a good way to do the first bar for the third scale shape. And then the fourth scale shape, You can really do it the exact same way. Same thing down here. And then the fifth scale shape, you have to change how, depending on what octave you use, because you can do it down here. Or you could do it up here. So that's how I would approach it, one bar at a time, or like the first phrase in each scale shape, and then do it for the rest. Just be careful with the stuff that needs to be tied. So this bar and this bar, there's nothing being tied. So all the rest symbols, you're just going to fill them in with a note and you'll be okay. This, you do need to watch some ties. So after this 16th note, like that one right there, the next thing needs to be a tie. And same thing with that right there. So after that 16th note, which is the same thing as this, that'll need to be a tie. And then the quarter notes for both of these quarter notes in the bar, those need to be tied as well. So that's it. That's all I'm going to show for this one. I want you to figure out the rest on your own best you can. And yeah, once you got it filled in, turn it on in. Let's have a look at it. Any questions, let me know, and I'll see you again next week.